Hello, my patrons. Today we're going to talk about educating yourself. Yep, educate yourself. So I want you to always know that we are constantly learning, and I realize that we have access to Google and lots of things that we can get information, but really educate yourself. Do I mean that you have to go take a college course? No, you don't have to do that. Only if you want to. Only if you can afford it and you have the time to do it and you're really inspired to do it, to make an effort to do it. But if you're not going to college, that's fine. No one said you have to do that. You can educate yourself in other ways. You can educate yourself by going to the library and looking up something that interests you. Maybe you're interested in Greek mythology. So you go to a library and you start checking out things on Greek mythology. Don't do like I would do and check out every book there is and then be overwhelmed. Just ask the librarian for a good suggestion on a list of books on Greek mythology. And I know I'm using this as an example. It could be making over your kitchen. It could be making a garden. Whatever you want to educate yourself on, the library is your resource. So go there and talk to the librarian. Which books would you recommend? And then pick out 1 or 2 books and bring them home. Have your list ready to get more when you're done with these. Don't just scan through it and say, yeah, I don't like it. Really look at it. Really go through it. Somebody took the time to write that for you. They did. You know, people who write books, they don't write for money. They don't. They write because they want to share something with you. And they feel compelled to get it on paper. I know, my daughter's an author. I feel that way about what I'm doing for you on these videos. I do it because I'm compelled to share these things with you so that you'll have a better life. So educate yourself. What is it that you're interested in? Is it photography? Did I hit a button? Is it ichthyology? Maybe you're interested in fish. I don't know what you're interested in. It doesn't matter, but you know what it does matter? It matters that you pursue your passion because it makes you a more interesting person. It gives you something to talk about, not as an authoritarian, just so you can comment and put things in. If you're interested in politics, really learn about it. If you're interested in religion, really learn about it. Whatever it is. Now, we have a rule in society that's not being followed so much anymore, that we don't discuss religion or politics. It's true, but at least know what you're talking about when you do say something, okay? Just know. And know inside your heart, that's important. Or know just because when they say something, you can say, to yourself, You don't have to compete with anybody. You don't have to share it. At least you know. That's what I want you to do. Educate yourself. It gives you such self-confidence. So if you want to build your body, educate yourself on building your body. There are so many wonderful things. There's bird watching. There's botany. There's so many things. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. It could be felines. You're just interested in cats. Study and learn. Learn everything there is. Baking, making gingerbread houses, whatever your area of expertise, you want, you can study and learn about it. Decorating cakes, and it gives you things to do, and it gives you things to be interested in, and it makes life more valuable because there are so many beautiful things. I saw a video once in high school, and it was called Why Man Creates. You can look it up on YouTube and find it. I believe it's on YouTube or at least on Google. Why Man Creates. And it's such a beautiful film, and to me, we create because we were created by a creator and we're made in his image and likeness. That's not what's really said on the video, but I love the video anyway. Why Man Creates. So you were created, you have a creator, you're a creative person. You may not think that you're creative. You may not think that you have anything to contribute, but you do. People are creative in different ways. Maybe you're a storyteller, that's creativity. Maybe maybe you can write beautifully and have a beautiful script. That's creativity. So today I want you to think about educating yourself. You have free time. We have me time. That's a great time to educate yourself. You know how lovely it is to have the solitude? Somebody put a comment on my solitude video about all the different places she seeks solitude. And one of them was her library. And I thought, Yes, that's perfect. I do love going to the library for solitude because it's quiet. Nobody can bug you. And you can look and dream and plan. One of my favorite things. So I want you to start educating yourself on something. It could be mineral, like pearls. Maybe you're interested in learning all about pearls. There's so many things to be interested in. Maybe it's travel. But find something and educate yourself. But please don't be a know-it-all. That's not a very fun person to be around. Just be a self-contained, self-confident, centered person having knowledge. And do have knowledge in lots of different things, not just one. Okay, but start with one. That's it for today. I hope this was helpful and exciting for you. And I always want you to remember that you're so beautiful. So go out there and be beautiful.